What's up, my Texas Tees? It's your girl Treka, and I am back with another banger. Guys, y'all already know what it is. Y'all know how I get down in the kitchen. Guys, today I have a seafood pasta. Seafood pasta. I have mussels and sausage. I have shrimp, and I have lump crab with a beautiful wine cheese sauce. Guys, I am starving. I just got off from work. I've been having hell trying to set up this camera, but I am getting ready to get into it. Are you coming to film with me? You coming to film with me?
No. But thanks for asking.
You make me sick. Y'all, he played too much. He's a jokester. He played too much. Here we go. We're going to see what it do. I'm talking to the people. I'm back. I needed some hot sauce. Oh, man. How was y'all day? Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all is that it's late. I had to go to work, but I was hungry, so don't say nothing about my box. It'll get better. So I had to come home and get something to eat. But I made this shrimp pasta earlier, and my husband ate it, and he said it was really good, so here we go. Y'all, ain't nothing like some seafood pasta. Don't worry, my products at OZ is on deck. Because this is really rich. I did a white wine and cream butter sauce. It's amazing. And I also have lump crab meat in here with mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. I couldn't wait to get off to come taste it. I even did garlic flavored mussels, and it's hitting. Let's take the mussel out and grab it with some of the noodles. How can y'all not eat something this good and not believe in God? He made all this possible. Y'all, it only took me about 20-25 minutes, but it's a recipe I've been having for forever. And y'all just bear with me. I'm gonna start cooking, showing you how I make these recipes. Look at that. I'm gonna start showing y'all how I make them. But I'm waiting on a couple of different lights and another tripod, and then I'm gonna start cooking. Y'all, this is amazing. I hope y'all had a good Saturday. I had a good one. Stayed in bed this morning and watched my cooking channels like I always do. Before I got up to run my errands, I went to the store so I can make this seafood pasta. Got home and made it. And I said I'm gonna lay down for a couple of hours before I have to go to work. I said I'm gonna lay down and watch TV. Got in the bed, got ready to watch TV. Why the damn cable was off? I am so sick of Xfinity. We are getting really sick of it. So I called and she tells me, oh, there's something in your area, blah, blah, blah. I said, well, are they here to fix it? She was like, oh, well, they won't be there until Monday. Y'all know I love my TV. That's the only damn reason why it's quiet in the background now, because damn cable is out. And I'm mad. I don't want to be without my cable until Monday. I would be to miss too many TV shows by then. I added the mussel to this one, y'all. Y'all excuse me. It's already late, but I'm hungry. I wasn't going to bed without eating this. I ain't even get a thumbnail. I sure didn't. I'm exhausted. I'm looking at the clock. I have to get up soon because our cream sauce with the mussels is hitting. That mussel. I love them. I have to get up in the morning and go to church. And I have to be there for 6:30 since I do the security at my church. I told y'all I work 7 days a week. I'm tired. What's y'all plans for Sunday after y'all go give God his first? What y'all got going on? When I finish working church. Oh, that one is closed. Let me put it over there. I'm gonna come home and jump out of that uniform and start a couple of loads of clothes. Pray that my television is back on. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna do. Get in bed and watch TV and get ready for Monday. Well, guys, that's it. I don't have no napkin, forgive me. Guys, that's it. I'm gonna bring this video to a close. Y'all, it's 1:10 in the morning. I know that's horrible to be eating this late, but I'm just getting off from work and I was starving. So I needed to eat. I'm gonna take my Prilosec Prilosec OTC. And I'll probably sit up a little bit and do some reading. Since my damn cable is not working right now, I'll probably do some reading, let my food digest, and try to get a couple of hours of shut-eye. So if you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the family. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, I have a lot of great things coming. I just appreciate your support. I appreciate you being here. Excuse me. I appreciate the watch time. If you are here this long, please be so kind as to leave me 2 jalapenos or 2 red peppers. It doesn't matter. That way, emojis. That way I know that you stuck with me. That's what I need. I need for people to stand by me. If you are returning text and tea, thank you. Hey, how y'all doing, family? Welcome back. If you've been watching this long and you are still on the fence about my videos, then something is not right, because you have watched at 14 minutes and 52 seconds pre-editing. So if you are still here this long, don't be no hater. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on now. Join the family. Join the family. Hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload some homemade treats. Guys, I'm gonna start coming to you guys all the time with my southern homemade treats. I love fast food, but I'm not really a fast food chick. This is what I'm about. What I love, what my family love, home food. So again, be good to yourselves, because if you're not good to yourselves, you can't be good to anybody else or good for anybody else. Love your family, love your friends. Tell someone that you love them. Be kind. Do a kind gesture. I challenge everybody to do something kind for someone tomorrow. So until we meet again, this is Treka, aka Texas Tea. Ooh, I'm tripping. Y'all always watch my videos, but you never like my videos. I need the likes to match the comments. So please do me a favor and
give me a like. Give me a like. Hey, give me a like. Give me a like. Hey, give me a like. Give me a like. Hey, give me a like.
Come on, guys. Thumbs up this video. Hit that like button to let me know how I'm doing. Until I see you again, this is Treka, aka Texas Tea, signing off. Deuces. Deuces.